Good morning, Jim Barrett from RGL Futures, Monday morning, December 3rd. A new month. Stocks are higher, the euro is higher, the risk on people are slightly in control. Therefore, what do we got? We got lower note and bond prices. Last week we were testing the lows of the trading range as far as yield, the highs of the trading range as far as prices, and the notes, the 155. Nobody seems too interested in pressing through that area. So we're really rolling off actually kind of hard this morning. The bonds are pulling off the overnight high. They're pulling off Friday's trading range. And the notes about 11.5, 12 ticks. Why is the risk on here? I mean, mostly, I would say it's mostly China. There's a little bit of decent news out of Europe. Germans are slightly softer in line about accepting haircuts on the debt, and so Greece looks a tiny bit better this morning. And the weak China and an imploding Europe were one of the things, major premises of the risk off, the demand for notes and bonds. Anyways, as far as the U.S. fiscal cliff, no real change over the weekend. I guess in the talk shows, Sunday morning, the political talk shows, the administration, this guy, the Treasury Secretary Geithner, was taking a tough line on taxes. I mean, Obama is betting, he won the election, kind of trying to go over the heads, obviously, of the House of Representatives, of Republicans rather, in the House of Representatives, and going again out to the quote people. He wants to not budge on this tax raise, projected tax raise, anyways. And the Republicans want some spending cuts. And, they said they go along with the revenue cuts, but they're not too happy about kicking up the rates. Anyways, all that's going to play out all month. It's not going to play out. We're not going to get an answer on this most likely till almost Christmas, because that's just the way it works. Washington works kind of on the calendar. I mean, they probably aren't going to want to go home on holiday break without having resolved something, or at least kick the can down the road. But it's only December 3rd, and so we got 3 weeks of back and forth. I don't think the market will be too excited, by the posturing of each party, but it's probably going to keep things sort of locked in the range. I wouldn't expect the notes and bonds to begin to trend. As far as other news, other than political news, this week the ISM comes out in a few minutes, expected 51.7 unchanged. Non-ISM tomorrow, probably not much of a change. Unemployment situation, we hear about Friday morning, and we're looking for about the same there, about 8%. So really, the only thing that's going to drive these markets on a big time basis will be Washington, and we're probably going to have to wait a few weeks for that. I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Remember, there is a risk of loss in futures trading, so it's not for everyone. Thank you.